My people, another news has happened. This one shocked me, to be honest with you. How many of you remember when Biafran Prime Minister made an announcement that a Biafran football team are going to play in one of the country of the world in Europe? Although he did not mention Europe, but today we noticed that that place is in Europe, and I can see the place is in Norway. Okay, because I just noticed that in the video now, this airport is Norway. So Biafran football team are right in the Norway for football match, and this is the video from the Photoshop and the fake, deep fake, and everybody is now lying with even when you call them right-handed, they'll tell you it's a Photoshop and a deep fake and all that nonsense, AI video and all that. Anyway, Biafran Prime Minister said, Biafran to the world, Omooma football about to dominate. Our national team know they sleep for airport. You know why he said no they sleep for airport? Because that was what had happened to the Nigerian national team somewhere in Libya. Few weeks ago, not even a month, few weeks ago. So let's hear, we are going to go through all the video about the Biafran national team on this video, so it's not going to be a long one, and I want to use this opportunity to beg of you to like the video and share it, subscribe if you're new. Okay, that is very important. So for us to keep you updated about what is going on, especially in different land and issue that concerns our people, Igbo people and different people, and people that are not only Biafrans, even other nationality, of course, as long as it has to do with freedom and peace of the people. That's what we care. That's what we care. So there's no the dollar. Let's just listen to this. This is the video.
Makandigasi na ibu AI. Makandigasi na ibu kwa AI. Onyisi mpikwa ndi mana kama ma ibu AI. Kama mama ya ibu AI. Biafra to the world. Some of our players, yeah. Mpikwa ya kama mama ibu AI. Makagasi no AI. Yeah. Biafra will show the world how to do it better. Umuchineke. Biafra team to the world.
So that is it. Biafra national team in Europe, and that is no longer a story. It's no longer a rumor. This is real. You are watching live videos. Wow.